Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Unlimited Finance token. UTFN is the ticker symbol for this token. This token is being listed tomorrow on a central exchange, a brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. Unlimited Finance. So the Unlimited Finance token is being listed tomorrow, February 22nd, on a central exchange called Hotbit Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Hotbit account, I do have a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, to get this token, all you'd have to do is just go right through that Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. Fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section, search UTFN, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, there's lots of cool tokens and coins listed on Hotbit all the time. There's investing strategies on there where you can get put your tokens in DeFi farm pools, stake them, lockups. There's all sorts of ways that you can earn really high APY on Hotbit, which is why Hotbit is a cool central exchange. Now, before we get into this token here, I do think that this token is a little bit sketchy. I usually do not give opinions on tokens at all. Usually it's just information where you just go through all the info and you guys make your own decisions, since I am not a financial advisor. But I'm just going to say right off the bat that in my opinion, I believe that this token is super sketchy. I'll give you some reasons right off the bat here. First of all, I don't see a full audit, a KYC, team docs, literally any type of security thing whatsoever. For socials, I see zero socials. There's no Telegram, there's no Twitter, there's no nothing. All there is an official webpage, a BSC scan on here. Let me click on the BSC scan. Only 5 addresses on the BSC scan. It is literally listed nowhere. So I don't see this token listed anywhere at all before Hotbit. So it's just only the Hotbit listing. A total supply is 6 billion tokens, 18 decimal places. Now, there's only a white paper and a web page listed on here, and it looks like the same format of web page and white paper from a lot of other tokens that have completely failed and people have complained about, saying that I never invested in those tokens or anything like that, but people have said before that similar ones to this one, like the web pages and stuff like that, were a scam. And that's what I had a lot of comments about, is because I've reviewed a lot of these tokens, and this one has a similar web page and white paper and format and everything compared to the ones that people were saying that were scammy tokens in the past. So right off the bat, I just want to tell everybody that, just be aware of that. Now we're going to go over some of the info anyways here. It says Unlimited Finance started as a blockchain company, hybrid gaming ecosystem with in-game NFT integration plans, convert assets to the decentralized borrowing and lending platform, seamless integration of finance and games. It's a BEP20 token. Now their official webpage is listed on here, and their white paper. So their webpage is at defiutfn.com. And on here, they have roadmap. This is another thing about all these tokens. They have literally no utility. They just say that they are going to come out with utility in the future, and they have no proof of, here's the beta version of our DApp. Here's, this, here's that. They don't have anything really at all. So that's why they're saying they're going to come out with lending and borrowing. Ultimate Finance offers a lending and borrowing feature as the first lending platform that supports the use of NFTs as collateral. It incorporates an NFT tokenization mechanism that makes it possible to use any valuable NFT as collateral. It is also the first lending platform that has leveraging features for interest reduction and even interest-free loans for users that use native Utfn tokens as collateral. It's got a hybrid marketplace, a combination of conventional liquidity DEX protocol and broker buyer type trading mechanisms with trading products and payment gateways integrated. Users will be able to trade multiple crypto assets without having to own multiple crypto wallets. So those are the things it says is coming out with in the future. Their focus is lending, borrowing of over 50 assets, whitelisted NFTs as collateral, leveraging a feature for interest fee reduction cancellation, automated liquidity pool protocol, tiered broker buyer type P2P trading, fiat crypto interface integration. So the token utility for the UTFN token, it says it's going to be for a lending platform, leveraging features, interest-free loans, BBT market, leveraging feature, it's repeating itself, interest-free loans again, game asset value, store of value of game assets, treasure and reward valuation, NFT market currency, NFT marketplace preferred currency, NFT marketplace membership system. So that's what it says the token will be used for in the future. Now they have, 16.7% of the tokens go to the development fund, 16.7% partnerships, 20% liquidity. Then we got 10% foundation, 10% BBT marketplace, 13.3% team, and 13.3% staking. That's how it's allocated. Now their roadmap is on here. It says, so they're starting out with, they list all these things like Q4 2022 integration of liquidity earn yield farming feature. Onto what? Like where is the link to this? You know what I mean? Like where can I actually use this feature? I don't see any links to anything, you know what I mean? So, and then it says Q1 all the way to Q4, integration of government mechanism, crypto exchange license, all these things that they're going to acquire. But where are they? They're nowhere to be found. So I would take this token with 1,000 grains of salt. Thoroughly do your own research before even thinking about investing in this token. You might see this token explode right off the bat on Hotbit because right now there's only 5 holders. You're going to see it go way up because it's not listed anywhere else. And you're going to go, what is this token? It's looking crazy. But then mark my words. In my opinion, I believe that it will plummet almost immediately. February 22nd, sometime during the day, because this is one of them tokens made by the same people as those other ones that happened to as well. So, yeah. Anyways, check out Hotbit, the Hotbit referral code down there if you don't have a Hotbit account. Hotbit is a great account. I mean, a great central exchange. Nothing against Hotbit. It's just whoever is making these tokens specifically, they're always sketchy in my opinion. So anyways, leave a comment down below. What do you guys think about this token? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, and thanks for watching everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.